I love having showers. I'm just gonna sit back and relax. Better shut my eyes, that's more relaxing. I guess this is it. There. I like these at the table. And that can go there. Better go quickly. This way. Hang on, pie's on the floor. Yeah, let's put it on the floor. Keep it on the floor. Deal with this one, girly. Well, I guess it's time to get out. I better get dressed. Where's my stuff? I must have left it. Wait, I had a snack downstairs. I must have left it there. Better run in 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Oh, I guess the floor is too slippery for me. Perhaps I'm too wet. Yes. I like it. Better get into my towel. It's a cool way, actually. It's a cool towel. Where's my clothes? There they are. Whoa. Better get dressed here. Get my stuff. And let's get changed. Done. Better take this back to the bathroom. There. I hope Mom doesn't realize. Well, I guess I better go out then. My friend's probably waiting already. What's that pie doing on the floor? Well, I better go. Ouch. Up, go. Which way? This way. Wait, make sure she's gone. Well, I better go in. This is the perfect room to mess up. Alright, I better start. That's the first bit. Flowers off. Perfect. She'll never know. I think this room's perfectly done. Perfect. Take that, girl. I better leave. This is perfect. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This is gonna be great.